Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at a 2016 Honda HR-V EX. This guy's in black, and it looks great. You do got the bug deflector right up front here with that Honda logo, and you do have halogen headlights there. They are very bright, and you got your fog lights hanging out down there as well. Now, kind of around the side, we do have 17-inch rims with our tires there, and they look really nice. You got lots of tread still left on them, so you should be good for a while. You got your mirrors here, and they do have the turning signals. And you can see right there that it does have the camera to tell the blind spot. Now, coming around the back here, we do have the Honda logo and the HR-V as well. You got your backup camera, and you can just press this button here, open this guy up, and then you got lots of room back here. Those seats do fold forward as well. It is very soft, so nothing will be getting scratched up. And you can pull this up, and you do have access to your jack and everything right there as well. Okay, we got our keys here. We got two presses to unlock all the doors. Then we can lock it, and we also got this button here that opens up the back, and we do have the button here for the panic. So if it is locked, it does have the keyless entry, so you just got to put your hand in there and open it up, and you do have the button to lock it as well. Now on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all there with that chrome accenting, a handle here, and some storage down here. Now right over here, we do have the controls over our Econ mode. We have our windshield wiper heater, and we also have our traction control. This guy here does turn on that side camera so you can see what you're looking at. And then you also got your turning signal and your high beams and your light control all right there, including your auto and your off and all that. Okay, I do have the key in my pocket, so all we got to do is put our foot in the brake, press the button, and it will start right up for us. Now in the center here, we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature and what gear we're in. Plus it tells us if we're in Econ mode and all that. And then right over here, we do have how many kilometers we've been, which is 83,000. As well, it tells us the time and all that fun stuff right there. Now, in the center here, we do have volume up and down. We have our source changer. This guy changes the guy in the middle. And we also got a couple different options there. You have your paddle shifters right here. And then down here, we do have the controls over our Bluetooth, so your voice recognition, your hang up, your call out. Horn in the center, of course, and your cruise control options on the other side. This guy right here is the controls over our windshield wipers. And then in the center, we do have a touchscreen display, so you can turn that on just like that. And then you can see all sorts of different stuff here. So you do have your phone options if you have one hooked up through your Bluetooth right here. So you got your phone, you have your audio, you have your info and your settings. So in your audio, of course, you have your FM and AM. And then you have all sorts of different station lists and stuff. And then if you do have your phone hooked up through here, you do have your options to answer and whatnot. And then in your audio, you can also go into your source here, and you can see that you can connect FM, AM, a disc. You got your USB. You can hook up an iPod, an Android, Bluetooth, or HDMI. And you do have right up here is your CD player. This one's your eject. And then your volume up and down here. You can slide it up and down. And yeah, it looks really nice. Then down here we do have the climate control. So we have our heat up and down with our heated seats here. You have your auto, your on and off, your sync for your dual climate. You and your passenger can have different levels. Your AC, your circulation, and your front and rear defrost all there. And then you got your gear shift here. And when you are in reverse, you do have your backup camera here. You can change the style that you can look out in, so you can look right down to see how close you are for parking and all that fun stuff there. Then you also have your parking assist, or sorry, your parking brake right here. And you got your cup holders in the middle. You can fold these. Oh, let's see if we can see it a little better. There we go. So you can fold these down just like this, or fold them up if it's a longer drink. You got a handle right here to open this guy up, and you can access right back there. Then you also have your glove box just over here. Lots and lots of room in there with your owner's manual inside. And then up top we do have our sunroof opener, which is right there. Sun's very bright. Lets in lots of light. Okay, let's take a look at the back here. Open this guy up. Now on the door here, you have that same chrome accenting with the lock, and then you also have your control of your windows, the handle, and some more storage right down there. There's lots of room back here, lots of leg room as well. And yeah, you got right over here, you have your power outlet, you got a magazine holder on the other side, and you can pull this down just like this, and it lays very flat, and you got even more room, as I said, in the back. And there is our 1.8 liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2016 Honda HR-V EX. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.